Hey everyone, I am going to try to create a tutorial on how to get into Khan Academy if this is your first time getting in and where to see your assignments. So I'm going to try to log my husband in as a student and we'll see how that goes. So some way I am going to get this link to you. I've already sent it out via Remind, but I can send it out again. I can send it through Google Classroom if your child is signed in through Google Classroom. I can also email it to you. We can figure out the best way to get it to you. So you'll want to click on that link because it already has the code embedded in the web address, this DT27JZHD. That is my code for my class. So this should come up and it's going to tell the class that you are joining, Math and Science Distant Learning Farber 2. You're going to click Create a New Account, okay? Then after that, it's going to ask you for your birth date. So we're just gonna say June 3rd, 2010. No, my husband was not born in 2010. Then it's going to give you this: continue with Google or sign up by choosing a username. You're gonna click continue with Google. And then this is going to come up. Okay, so your name should be right here in the top right corner, and you will see your first initial with your last name. You will click there and it will tell you notifications. Right now I have no notifications, but if you have any assignments, this is where you will click to see your assignments. So that is always how you are going to access your assignments, by clicking your name in the top right-hand corner. After you first signed in, it will say that you're assigned a learning coach, E. Farber, but it won't give you any assignments. And then you might start freaking out saying, well, I didn't get any assignments. On my end, I have to accept you first into my classroom. So once you sign in, I then need to accept you, and then you should be able to refresh the page by clicking this refresh button right here. And then it should show you back up here at the top right corner, your name again, you're clicking that, and it should give you notifications there. If it doesn't, then we have a problem and we need to kind of troubleshoot together. But that is where you are always going to view your assignments. Okay, I hope this helps.